have just a stack blockage. I came from the house to the tank, and it was empty. So now I try the 5/16 Cyclone, either backwards up the stack, or I'm gonna damn, both my sound keys. Or I'm gonna put that an 1.5 inch and clear it that way. So this one needs a new chain and new Allen keys. What size is this? Damn. Nice Allen keys, but has some oddball sizes. Ones I can't use. I guess that works to the metric set. What's up, Matt?
Hey, just getting through all the jobs. Got to your job in Dover. We did get it. Actually, let me make sure everything is good. Yeah, everything looks good. They were just waiting for me to confirm the referral source.
Oh, okay. Nice.
So, I confirmed it was you.
Well, I mean, they,
we got set up done already and everything.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I'm
When
doing...
did that call come in on Saturday?
Friday night.
Friday night?
Yeah.
And then we got it on Saturday. And we started set up on Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, let me call back. Let me call you when I get done here. So.
Alright, man.
Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, bye.
Okay.
Twin grips. Mostly from the flex shaft. Interesting. There we go. Plenty of extra Allen keys. Those set screws, 6mm. Keep plenty of them in my truck. I'm always losing them. They always get plugged and I can't use them again. So I just throw them away. I used to Loctite them all, but now I just check them every single time. salvage it. I hope that one can hold. He's got it cleared. Fingers crossed. All right. Oh, I'm talking to myself. My last call. I'm done for the day.
Back in, wouldn't it?
Yeah, tank's not over full. It's blocked at the T right here. The blockage is right here. In this spot right here.
That's where it's blocked?
Yep. So I'm gonna see if I can go backwards to clear it from here. So that's my goal.
The water doesn't come out around here.
I got a bucket, but it can't be. I can't imagine it being too high, but that didn't overflow. So it is what it is.
So I was gonna say, if the tank was overflowing, water, and the water was not going to the second baffle,
Yeah.
it would show above ground. That's what it used to do.
Yep. Well, I mean, sometimes there's also a blockage just in the line itself, but there's no blockage there. So I mean, I confirmed that the tank is perfectly fine. You know, it's actually just.
Some about this, you know.
Yeah, it's actually yours is.
I think I know.
Yeah, yours is a plug in a spot that's really not common.
16 years of experience
Yeah.
here.
Hoping not to take a bath, but we'll see. Move the camera. So. Yeah, I don't want to try. He's gonna have to come back and do some work when he gets back here. So.
They used a camera when they did the D-box, and the main line out there was clear. Of course, that's 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Probably crap blocking it.
Oh, I'm sure. Ah, I'm gonna stick my hand out. Block is right there.
There's so much junk down here. Oh, you're really getting dirty.
Yeah. They're not over yet.
And I don't have running water down here.
That's okay. So I do every single day. Some days are messier than others. It might not be a sewer main. It might just be a sink. Oh, I guess we should have flushed the toilet and checked. I was afraid to flush it. I was afraid to flush the toilet, but I don't think it's. I think it's just a kitchen sink line.
You know, I don't get chapped what you say.
Oh, and I got my back towards you, so.
I'm a little hard of hearing too.
It might just be this right here. It might not be your toilet. Your toilet might be fine.
It's in there somewhere?
Yeah, it might be. Yeah, it's not your main line. Definitely not your main.
You be able to get it out?
Yep, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm just put a plug in it so I don't make a mess. And then we're gonna.
We have a mess.
Hopefully no. All right, I can take the camera back because I don't need that anymore. I should have flushed the toilet and checked. I was just afraid to make more of a mess, you know. But all right.
You're not done, are you?
No, I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna get a different machine, a different end for my cable. That's all. A smaller head.
You what?
I'm gonna need a smaller head for my cable. That's all. So I'm taking some. If I'm gonna go out, I'll take something with me. So. Oh, that's my fault. I was told the main line. I was afraid to flush the toilet. And it winds up being only that 2-inch galvanized arm. There it goes.
Down there at 1 o'clock this morning, wiping that, cleaning up that floor.
You cleaned this up? You cleaned this up, the mess up? You did? You cleaned it up? Oh, jeez.
I do everything. I do too, when I have to do everything. Try to get up to the permanent window. I miss my 70-year-old daughter. She died 3 years ago.
I'm sorry to hear that.
She did everything for me. My husband died 7 years ago. He was a good man, but he took things apart and never put them back together.
It sounds like all of us.
That's why I have no sink here.
Well, have Gideon come back and do it. You know.
He used to clean our old furnace. He used used to clean it himself. We never had a technician come in.
Really?
And the last time he ever took it apart, he didn't remember how to put it back together.
Oh, jeez.
I said it was a good thing I always watched him because I put it back together.
You're pretty handy. That's crazy.
And eventually I got the new furnace. That's already 15, 16 years old. I've always done everything myself.
Let's see.
Are you going to open that up
Yep.
and get water in here?
Yep. There's gonna be some water. Hopefully not a lot. Not a whole lot. That's good. Perfect.
Do you need a tail down the other end?
Yeah. Unless the pipe starts leaking. Yeah, you know, I'm not gonna make it leak. My luck's gonna start leaking. I'm not gonna beat it up anymore. I'm gonna switch machines. So. Fun times.
So the clog is gone now?
Almost.
No?
Oh, not yet. Damn, I hit that door. Some days go good, and some days just this. But I got it.
So in 7 years, I haven't cleaned up my husband's corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My son in North Carolina, I wish I would come up here because there's probably a lot of stuff he would like there.
Yeah, I'm running hot water upstairs. So.
Running hot water upstairs.
Yep, in the kitchen. Yep.
Yeah. Mr. Plumber put that busted in water. I don't know. They never had it. Was it never had a lot of water out.
Oh, the pressure's not good?
It must have been the head they put on or something.
Hello, this is George. Hey. Yeah, I was actually right next to your house. I was working 5 minutes from your house. That's why I called. See if I was able to come by sooner. I am now 45 minutes away. Yeah. And I have to be home by 2 o'clock. So, let me see how it works out. I might come by. When I finish here. Hopefully, let me see when I get done here. I'll give you a call back. I have to be home. I have to be home by 2 o'clock. So, but yeah. Well, let me see how much time I have here. That's all. Because you're not far from my house. All right. No problem. All right. Bye. I had another job that I was going to do before I came here, but I was in Oak Ridge. The job was in Jefferson. I figured let's do the same job. He didn't answer his phone. He was home, but he didn't answer his phone. If you don't answer your phone, I don't stop by. You know. All right. Come back. I'm actually done. I'm just packing up now.
You what?
I'm done now. I'm just packing up.
Done?
Yep. I'm just packing up. So. How you doing?
This one leak now.
That's why I just flushed the toilet to make sure.
Right. This is where I said the water was coming out. I want those holes.
Yeah, he's gonna have to fix that.
Huh?
He'll have to fix that too. But he'll have to replace. He's probably gonna have to recommend for a place from here up to there, all this new. So, but we're good. Everything's. I just flushed your toilet. Your toilet's working.
It's
So,
working.
yep.
How about on the kitchen and down on the bathtub and everything?
That's good.
It's all good?
Yep. I was just running the kitchen sink.
Everything's clear.
Yep. And it's clear to the tank. So the lines.
It's what?
The line is clear to the tank. So.
And then it should be clear on the other side.
Yeah, they did it 2 years ago. Yeah.
I figured if the other side wasn't clear,
Yeah, the tank will be full.
the tank would be over full.
Yep, but the tank's empty, so.
Yeah. Move these boxes back.
Oh, you want me to?
Box here. Can you move it back?
Yeah, I'll move
I
back.
have to get rid of all that junk, but I don't know how to get rid of it. My husband built that damn thing. Boxes.
Yeah, it's heavy.
I got these 2 dehumidifiers here. I can't get them upstairs and out.
Okay. All right.
This house is a mess. So you think it's all done and okay now?
Oh yeah, we're done.